we moved a couple of cars around. As you guys can see, the sun's just going down. And I realized I forgot to do an aftermath after this video. Now, this went to Grand Valley, and nothing really changed with it in Grand Valley. What happened was I got stuck in the mud. That's pretty much all that happened. The back end came up so high that the back tires are pretty much off the ground. Came into the gas tank protector quite a bit more. Even with the knobby tires, all I did was dig myself a hole. The car hasn't really moved at all since we went to Grand Valley. The frame is still garbage, the bumper's garbage, the back end's garbage, so I've actually deemed this car as garbage. We're going to save the motor, the transmission. This will probably be the 5th car that this motor and transmission's been in. It'll probably go into that one right over there because that's got an old beat up V6 in it. Obviously, we still have to take all of our stuff out, like our switches, our battery box, our cage, our dash bar, ratchet straps, seat belts, you name it, it's got to come out. Oh, fire's going on. But I did take this one apart a little more. I've now pulled all my stuff out of it. You guys are... No, I haven't put up the video about me tearing this one apart, but I have put up the aftermath. So we have the motor visible here. The entire wiper cowl is gone. It is folded up onto itself, and the the window bar has actually come into contact with the motor. This car here has had a rough go. But again, it is now parts. I am happy to say that this thing is going to be going to scrap. I am going to be saving the motor transmission. That is about it out of this. I'm going to save the one axle because this one's broken. I'm not going to save the struts because they both have big dings in the back of them. I might save the rear subframe just because it's pretty good condition. All the struts in the back, the spindles in the back I will save. The seat I will save. The seat belt I will cut out. And that will pretty much be the end of this car. It's been a great run. I'm not even going to save the bumper because the bumper rules have been changing so much that there's no real need to save this bumper because it was this long, and then they made me cut it down to this long, and then they made me cut it on an angle, but now I can have it come all the way out to here as long as I have a skin for it. So honestly, the rules have changed so much, it's not even worth it for me to keep this bumper. But no, I'm getting the yard ready to be cleaned up. It is the end of the season. The only problem is scrap prices are so low. So waiting for scrap to go up, waiting for scrap to go up. That's right, Vin Diesel's here, boys and girls. Waiting for scrap to go up, waiting for scrap to go up. Still has to have some parts taken out of it, parts out of it, waiting for scrap to go up. This one here is ready to go, but it's still waiting for scrap to go up. It's almost filled. And that one there, I still kind of want to pull the motor, but it's going to be going into scrap too. So we have the whole yard separated from the good and the bad. So all this stuff will be going into scrap very shortly. If the prices continue to go down, it will not be going into scrap, and it'll be sitting here all winter, which is another thing I don't want, but it'll give me lots of time to tear out my crap out of these cars, that's for sure. Short video, but a nice little update. So Grand Valley, nothing happened to that. It just got stuck in the mud. I tried not to let the people touch my back end, but it happened. Bolton car, everywhere else this thing's ran, it's garbage now. That car back there, right there, it needs frost plugs. Motor transmission's good other than the frost plugs, so I might save those. I know it needs a head gasket, so I even have a head gasket for it. Maybe we'll do a tear down and build up of that over the winter. Check it for any internal damage and see what we can do for that. Vin Diesel is garbage. And the Corolla back there, that's garbage too. And the Honda Odyssey, I just pulled the motor out of it today so I could pull the cats off of it and get it ready. So it's all garbage. Whole bunch of garbage here. So 5, 6, 7 cars ready for scrap. And after this weekend, hopefully 8. So thanks for watching, guys. This is, like I said, just a quick update. But definitely feeling the end of the season burn right now. It's early October, and it's pretty much near the end of the season, and it's getting hard. The derby scene's getting hard for me right now. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow.